May is the time of year with usually nice weather and the season of thicker wetsuits, so what better way to kick off the month than cutting your foot open? Okay, good morning everybody, it's Saturday. We're going winching. Finally Mike and Kieran are coming up, we're almost sort of there. Last night, I was so looking forward to going today and going super hard out there, but last night, putting my boat back on after catching a couple of kahawai, I took like a big scallop out of my foot at the boat ramp, so I'm pretty much going to bandage it, run booties. I was in here last night playing with all sorts of stuff, like it's kind of right under that front pad on your foot, like it's bad, it's not unstoppable, and it's actually in a good position to do this because it means fingers crossed it's not going to open up on me today, but it's already pretty open, but we'll see how it goes. We'll get down there, we'll get in the water. Little cooker camping. We've got the van. We're by the beach, even though you can hardly see it. It's kind of dark, obviously. Little rooftop lay down. Right by the beach. Legs or sausages.
The hairiest sausage.
It's a sausage that's been dropped on the carpet.
High. Bringing them down here. Oh, it's legal. No, he's probably legal. Oh, that's legal. Yeah, he'd be living on the button. Yeah, he's legal.
Yeah. Was that cool?
He's legal. We'll keep him.
Yes. That's a snapper.
He is a flippin' donk, kahawai.
That'll be some delicious sashimi.
Shit, he's gannish at it, man. That is massive. Shit. Shit.
After a quick stint of rock fishing,
Okay, well, I've obviously got my kahawai dialed.
it was time for a feed of fish tacos. Now what better fish to go in these tacos than snapper? Failing on the the snapper front with a cold miss and one lost fish, we were into the kahawai. What is it?
Delish.
Yum.
So good. Oh. Ginger Danny versus the dog. Ready, go.
What we're going to do, we're going to throw some of this kawa that we've just got and goatfish in with flour, then it goes in with the egg, like does with everyone else does it. But I put some burrito spice mix in with the egg and a little bit of hot sauce, breadcrumbs, wham in the pan.
Wham. Baby. That's the secret ingredient.
Shit singing. As you can see, my print room doubles as a kitchen as well, which is kind of gross when you think about it, but deal with it.
Got an A rating.
We're not here for hygiene, people.
Shirts are clean, right?
Fish so fresh, some of it's crinkling up. Jealous much?
Okay, we're going to tuck into these fish tacos and you know damn well they're going to be bloody good. Okay, so the brief. It was the middle of May, which is the time of the year everything starts to really cool down in New Zealand. With a pretty bloody good weather forecast on the charts, I was to head north on a little solo trip. And staying the weekend at a mate's place for a weekend in the water. Lesson for the day is when you're at a new spot, pay attention to where you've walked down, because I've just walked up another path over here and it's not even the path I came down. I think it's private, so I'm just having a little breather because I'm going like hell. It's getting dark, as you can tell. There's me fish. Get up there, get back to the van.
'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am.
There's the old John Dory with his brains blown out.
Got a headshot.
You've already seen the film, but that's my absolute disgrace shooting.
Came close to it.
He knows I'm watching him.
He does, eh? He's fucking smart.
Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Get it.
Master Chef Gary.
What are you serving up, Gary?
Oh, we've got some pawa here with some chopped up onions, some mushroom, a little bit of full cream milk in there. It's been simmering away for a while. Got some crayfish, pulled it out of the ocean about 2 hours ago. And got some nice John Dory there. Got headshot by this flying sparrow behind me.
Eventually.
Eventually, 2 shots, but we got there in the end.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers. Clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure. 'Cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try. You find it distracting, hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you were gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try.
With another great weekend diving ticked up in the books, it's time to return home in another little winch session. As featured here a couple times in this episode, a winch, or wake winch as they're more commonly known, is a 6.5 horsepower motor or whatever horsepower you want to run on them, with a chain, a drum and a rope. Our particular winches are geared to pull a skimboard to up to about 50 kilometers an hour and pretty much make options limitless when it comes to having fun on the water. That is of course when they're working properly. Operating them around the salt can make them pretty fickle.
He rips, eh?
As on this day proven once again. Now with a beautiful but freezing forecast to wrap up the month of May, a call was made and we were off to sail the outer Hauraki Gulf midweek with pretty much no one else around. The old Mau Mau sashimi. Getting it in. Brett doesn't believe me, much like I didn't believe Brad a while ago about how good Mau Mau sashimi is. But he's going to have some.
I am too.
Freshly caught half an hour ago. Good.
That is bloody good, isn't it? What's it because it tastes like bacon or something?
Okay, right, full updates as to where we are. It's getting on, it's bloody cold. Just got out of the water. Didn't see a hell of a lot of good fish, but saw a lot of fish. Found a few crays in the spot, but couldn't get them any of them out just because the holes are so flipping deep. We're going to have a feed. We're actually at Arid Island, if I haven't followed up with anything. We're staying here the night at Anchorage. There's 4 of us boats in here. So we're going to have a feed, we're going to have some more Mau Mau sashimi because I've got another couple. I'm just trying to warm up right now. Got you hooked on that Mau Mau sashimi, haven't I? Good morning everybody, it's about 8 AM. We're currently lost in a forest on Arid Island. We haven't taken the right ridge line by the looks of things. I'm just trying to find a view. One boat. Coming up in the next episode of Alive in New Zealand, winter well and truly sets in. We prepare some sashimi at a picnic table, and I'll even throw you a bonus episode from Tonga. You can of course be kept up to date by subscribing to OXS TV, which is up on the screen right now. Get along to oxsenterprises.com to find out what else has been happening. I'm Sam Price, I'll see you at the beach.